Hello, welcome to Panva Travel, your go-to source for diving into thrilling explorations and travel tips. Join us as we uncover hidden gems, share essential travel advice, and recount unforgettable journeys across the globe. Today we are embarking on a culinary adventure with a script that explores gourmet dining around the world. Our journey will be divided into four main headings. 1. European elegance, culinary masterpieces in Europe. 2. Asian fusion, a melting pot of flavors in Asia. 3. American innovation, gourmet dining in the Americas. 4. Exotic tastes, unique gourmet experiences in Africa and the Middle East. European elegance, culinary masterpieces in Europe. Europe is home to some of the most sophisticated and renowned culinary traditions in the world. From the romantic streets of Paris to the bustling markets of Barcelona, the continent offers a diverse array of gourmet experiences that are sure to delight any food enthusiast. In France, the epicenter of haute cuisine, one can indulge in a multi-course meal at a Michelin-starred restaurant. The French approach to dining is an art form, where each dish is crafted with precision and passion. The experience often begins with a selection of fine cheeses and a glass of exquisite wine. As you savor dishes like foie gras, coq au vin, and crème brûlée, you'll understand why French cuisine is celebrated globally. Italy, another jewel in Europe's culinary crown, offers a different but equally captivating gourmet experience. In cities like Rome and Florence, traditional Italian dishes are prepared with fresh local ingredients. The simplicity of a perfectly cooked pasta, the richness of a well-made risotto, or the flavors of a wood-fired pizza are unmatched. Each region in Italy boasts its own unique specialties, from the seafood of the Amalfi Coast to the truffles of Piedmont. Moving north, we arrive in Scandinavia, where the concept of new Nordic cuisine has revolutionized the culinary world. Restaurants like Noma in Copenhagen have gained international acclaim for their innovative use of local seasonal ingredients. Dishes often feature foraged herbs, fermented vegetables, and sustainably sourced seafood, creating a dining experience that is both avant-garde and deeply rooted in the region's natural landscape. Asian fusion, a melting pot of flavors in Asia. Asia is a continent of contrasts and diversity, reflected vividly in its culinary landscape. From the street food stalls of Bangkok to the high-end sushi bars of Tokyo, the region offers a gourmet dining experience that is both rich and varied. In Japan, the meticulous art of sushi making is a testament to the country's dedication to culinary perfection. Dining at a top-tier sushi restaurant in Tokyo, such as Sukiyabashi Jiro, is an experience like no other. The precision with which each piece of sushi is crafted, the freshness of the fish, and the harmony of flavors are a true celebration of Japanese cuisine. Thailand offers a different but equally enchanting gourmet experience. The complexity of Thai flavors, balancing sweet, sour, salty, and spicy, is unparalleled. At restaurants like Nam in Bangkok, traditional Thai dishes are elevated to new heights. Dishes such as green curry, pad Thai, and tom yum soup are prepared with the finest ingredients and a deep respect for culinary traditions. In China, the vastness of the country is mirrored in its diverse culinary traditions. From the bold, spicy flavors of Sichuan cuisine to the delicate, refined dishes of Cantonese cooking, China offers a gourmet experience that is both varied and profound. Dining at a top-tier restaurant in Beijing or Shanghai, one might savor Peking duck, dim sum, or a rich hot pot, each dish offering a taste of the country's rich culinary heritage. American innovation, gourmet dining in the Americas. The Americas, with their rich tapestry of cultures, offer a unique and innovative gourmet dining experience. From the farm-to-table movement in the United States to the vibrant flavors of Latin America, the region is a playground for culinary exploration. In the United States, cities like New York, San Francisco, and Chicago are at the forefront of the gourmet dining scene. Chefs in these cities are known for their creativity and willingness to push culinary boundaries. At restaurants like 11 Madison Park in New York or Alinea in Chicago, diners are treated to a multi-sensory experience where food, art, and innovation intersect. The emphasis on locally sourced, sustainable ingredients ensures that each meal is not only delicious but also environmentally conscious. Mexico, with its rich culinary heritage, offers a gourmet experience that is both vibrant and complex. At top restaurants like Pujol in Mexico City, Traditional Mexican ingredients and techniques are reimagined in modern, innovative dishes. The use of indigenous ingredients like corn, chili, and chocolate, combined with contemporary cooking techniques, results in a dining experience that is both nostalgic and forward-thinking. Exotic tastes. Unique gourmet experiences in Africa and the Middle East. Africa and the Middle East, often overlooked in the global gourmet scene, offer some of the most unique and exciting dining experiences in the world. The rich cultural heritage and diverse culinary traditions of these regions provide a wealth of flavors and ingredients waiting to be discovered. In Morocco, the vibrant and aromatic cuisine is a feast for the senses. Dining at a traditional Moroccan restaurant, one can expect to be served dishes like tagine, couscous, and pastilla, all flavored with an array of spices such as cumin, coriander, and saffron. The use of preserved lemons, olives, and dried fruits adds a unique depth of flavor to Moroccan dishes, making each meal a delightful experience. In the Middle East, countries like Lebanon and Israel offer a rich tapestry of flavors and ingredients. Lebanese cuisine, known for its emphasis on fresh, seasonal ingredients and bold flavors, is a gourmet delight. At restaurants like Talat in Beirut, traditional dishes such as kibbeh, tabbouleh, and hummus are prepared with a modern twist, resulting in a dining experience that is both familiar and innovative. In Israel, the culinary scene is vibrant and dynamic, with a focus on fresh, locally sourced ingredients. Dining at a top restaurant in Tel Aviv, one can savor dishes that blend Middle Eastern and Mediterranean flavors, such as shakshuka, falafel, and fresh seafood. In conclusion, gourmet dining around the globe offers a rich tapestry of flavors, ingredients, and culinary traditions. From the elegance of European cuisine to the bold flavors of Asia, the innovation of the Americas, and the unique tastes of Africa and the Middle East, each region offers a unique and unforgettable gourmet experience. At Panva Travel, we invite you to join us on this culinary adventure as we explore the world's most exciting and diverse dining destinations. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. See you next time.